Welcome to a world where monstrous machines unleash unstoppable power. From uprooting century-old stumps and shredding massive logs, to crushing old vehicles into scrap within seconds, witness the breathtaking clash between steel and nature, raw force and resistance. Burning stumps is an easy disposal method, needing only fuel and patience. The ChipMax 484VR, a Volvo-based wood chipper, handles 140 tons an hour with 6-wheel drive for stable bush removal. The Hacker 6800TX is a modern, powerful machine capable of easily grinding tree stumps, branches, and large trees due to its smooth feeding system and smart design, delivering high efficiency. The Lion Shredder Evo is a machine that quickly, decisively, and mercilessly grinds everything, capable of instantly turning motorcycles into scrap metal. The Markinel 10 DCR is a durable machine developed in post-war Britain to reshape the logging industry, capable of efficiently cutting through plywood like a paper knife, demonstrating the power of British engineering. Hydraulic log splitters operate stably and efficiently using sharp wedge blades to easily split wood along its natural grain. Their robust design ensures safety and increases productivity, making them ideal for personal and small-scale production. The Taskmaster Titan is an effective solution for shredding solid plastic blocks, large wooden beams, and tough metal sheets into small, compact pieces. A safety bar keeps the chainsaw steady, allowing users to focus on cutting effectively and with greater peace of mind. The wood destruction machine continuously rotates, mercilessly tearing logs, and is extremely dangerous if operated carelessly.